Hi, thanks for stopping by Exclusivesb. Today I just want to share a haul that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. I'm not going to state the prices of anything because of course it all came from the Dollar Tree, so everything was $1. But the first three items that I would like to share are these cool little plant kits that I picked up. I picked this one up. It's to grow strawberries. I'm not really sure exactly how, or not necessarily how, but the time frame I'm supposed to start growing these. But once I figure it out, I will share it over on my Instagram page. But I did pick up the strawberry grow kit, and then I also picked up this tomato grow kit, and I picked up one for sweet basil. And each container states that it of course has one plastic pot, one seed packet, one growing medium pellet. So again, once I start growing these, I'll share the progress over on my Instagram page. And my Instagram page is Exclusivesb. Alright. And the next items that I picked up, I thought these were really cool. For people who are interested in working out, or you work out at home a lot and you just want to switch up your workout and get a little variety. They had these little Get Fit cards. They're kind of like index cards, and what it has inside is like a little paper dice that you put together, and it has a color code, and whatever color you land on, it's like yellow, purple, and red, I believe, but whatever color you land on, that's the exercise that you're supposed to perform. So I picked this one up. This one is it says it's a fun and exciting way to keep active. And this one is actually for kids. It's a 6+ age group, and it has 32 cards. And then also I picked up this one for adults. It's also called Get Fit Card Kit, and this one is majority for cardio. So I thought these were pretty cool. And this one also has 32 cards in it as well. Right. And then the other two items that I picked up from the store, from Dollar Tree, that I thought were really cool were these Essie nail stickers. Let's see, I picked this. Here, go to here. This one is the color of brown and black. And then the other one is more of a brown and tan. Now, I've actually never seen these before, but I thought they were pretty cool. And basically it just says that you're just supposed to prep your nail bed and apply the sticker and then file it to the shape that you would like it to be. So once I try these out, I will show them also over on my Instagram page in terms of how they actually turned out. But I'm excited about using these. The other two items that I picked up or purchased were these stickers. Now I do keep a planner, and I use planner stickers. I do buy them from various stores like Hobby Lobby and Michael's, but I found these at the Dollar Tree, and I thought these were a great deal because you get 52 stickers. I'm sorry, 56 stickers in each packet, and they're different, and they have like different colors and different shapes on them. And I think this is something like if you aren't really into planning, or you're trying to get into planning but you feel a little intimidated by the price of some of the stickers at like Hobby Lobby or Michael's, because sometimes those do get a little pricey. But if you think that you want to try it out and just to see if you'll stick to it, I think this is a great deal. And you don't necessarily have to use these just for for your planner. You can use them for note taking and any kind of study. Like if you're in school, you can use these for study when you prep your study notes. So, but yeah, 56 stickers for $1. I mean, it's a great deal. And then the last two things that I picked up, which really aren't that exciting, was some nail polish remover, and also I picked up some VO5 extra body hair conditioner. Alright, and that is all I have for you all today, and I appreciate you stopping by my channel. You have an awesome day. Thank you.